Photo loss warning: you could lose 50 years of photos and letters in just one bad week, a leak, a move, or a simple mistake. If you are over 60 and your memories are still in random boxes and drawers, you might be only one accident away from losing them forever. Many people think, I will sort these later, and later never comes. Up next, we dive into Clear Promise. Clear Promise: by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to turn messy boxes of photos and letters into a simple, safe system in about 7 days. You will see how to keep the most important 10 to 20% that truly matter, and still let go of the rest without guilt. You will also learn one easy backup method that may protect your family history even if your home is damaged. Up next, we dive into Overwhelm boxes. Overwhelm boxes: if you have 3, 5, or even 10 boxes of old photos and letters, you already know the heavy feeling every time you see them. Many people tell themselves, I will do this when I have a free weekend, but months and years go by while the paper slowly fades and curls. Every summer heat wave and winter dampness may be quietly damaging those faces and signatures you can never replace. Family pressure: there is another problem nobody talks about. If you do not sort these, your children or relatives will have to make painful decisions in a rush later. They might throw out letters from your parents, baby photos, or wedding pictures simply because they do not know who is who. Many families regret losing photos because they waited until a health crisis or a house move forced them to rush. Start small. Box here is where it gets really important. Do not skip this or you may stay stuck for years. Start with just one container, one box, one drawer, or one album, and give yourself only 30 to 45 minutes, not an entire day. Your goal for this first session is simple: separate obvious treasures from obvious junk, nothing more. Up next, we dive into 3-pile method. 3-pile method: set up 3 spaces on a table, keep forever, maybe, and let go. Keep forever is for irreplaceable items like wedding photos, parents, grandparents, military pictures, and handwritten letters that still touch your heart. Let go is for blurry shots, duplicates, scenery with no people, and faces you truly do not recognize. The maybe pile is for anything you are unsure about right now. Engagement question: quick question for you. This might change how you do the rest of this. If you had to grab only one photo or letter in an emergency, which one would it be, and why? Think about that for a moment, and consider telling your family or sharing in the comments so others get ideas. Up next, we dive into digital backup. Digital backup: wait. This next part might save your memories even if your house is damaged. Take your phone and snap clear photos of your most precious 20 to 50 items, front and back if there is writing, and store them in a special album labeled Family History or Do Not Lose. Many people also email these to themselves or a trusted family member, so there is a copy outside their home. Real examples: some families only had a few minutes to leave their homes during floods or fires, yet they were able to recover baby pictures and old letters because they had taken digital copies beforehand. Others used their scanned letters to make a small printed book for under $40, turning boxes of paper into a slim volume their grandchildren actually read. Common mistakes: most people skip this and regret it later, because these quiet mistakes can ruin decades of memories. Storing photos and letters in damp basements, hot attics, or plastic bags can lead to sticking, fading, and mold. Stacking heavy boxes can bend albums and crack old frames. Final action: CTA: if you do not act on this, you may leave your most precious photos and letters to chance and to other people's rushed decisions. This week, choose one box or album, sort it into keep, maybe, and let go, and take digital photos of at least 20 items you never want to lose. Store those originals in a cool, dry, labeled container, and tell one family member where they are and why they matter.